guys, I was about rounding up. I just remember the video that is going up and down. Even I have it on my YouTube channel. My name is Bose Wilson, as you know. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and grow up with me. Please subscribe and like, share. Click on my notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. God bless you. My brothers and sisters, my sweet brothers and sisters, I want to quickly talk about one video I saw. I have that video of a white woman that is married to a Nigerian guy, or to a black guy precisely. Let me not say Nigerian guy because I don't know if it's a Nigerian guy. So that video, somebody sent it to me about how many days ago. Although I put it on my YouTube channel, I never talk about it. So there are many. This is not just, maybe I don't know if this is her first time of experiencing it. It's a long experience. Here, what is happening here in Germany? In the other part of Europe I came from, when I came from, things like that don't happen. But this Germany, things happen every now and then. Racist thing, even your child in the school, they just feel everybody that came to this Germany, all of them, they don't have food to eat, they don't have water to drink. Your best friend will be your worst enemy because of a white woman coming around her, coming around you. So that is how they do in this place. When you go to their office, they look down on you as if you are not a human being. They look down on you as if you were not created by God, as if it's not the same blood that flows in you. Let me tell you something. I have a friend. This video of that German white lady now is making me to remember what happened to my friend few months ago. My friend went to somewhere with her son. As they were coming back, they bought a box. She do go to school, in Kempty. They call the place Kempty. They took a bus coming from that village to their own city. So there was one lady that came in with her baby's wagon and hit my friend on her leg. So my friend answered, the lady pretended as if nothing happened. Then my friend said, he now tapped the lady and said, can't you see you hit my leg with your baby this thing? He didn't say nothing. She said, maybe the lady is a deaf and dumb. She now touched the lady. He said, just touch, and said, the lady now hit her hand and said, and insulted her, fuck you. And meanwhile, she did not even understand what that lady said. Not only the son now said, mama, this lady just insulted you. Then the son now replied to that lady and said, you hit my mother, and yet you are the one insulting her. My dear brother, you know what he talk? The lady say, the driver stand up, say make the lady come out. Not be the lady when hit the black woman, no. He say make that black woman, making, if he not shut up now, make the black woman go out of that bus. Then the black woman say, he hold his ground, say, no, I don't go come out from my bus. What did they worry you? Somebody hits me now with the baby this thing, bicycle. Now you are telling me that they hit. You said I should not cry. You are telling me that I'm making noise. I should come out. I should get out of the bus. I will not come out of this bus. Then that lady that hit my friend now said, now insult my friend again. Then my friend now insulted her with Spanish language, because he insulted my friend with her own language. Then my friend now insulted her with Spanish language. Then the driver just stopped. She has tell my friend to come out. That one said, no, I will not come out. You understand me? He said the next thing he saw, he said he will call police. He called the headquarters that my friend is fighting, one black lady is fighting with the whole people inside the bus. Before you know, the police came. When the police came, you know what happened? The police said, okay, where is the criminal? They were wearing hand gloves to come and catch thief. There was no criminal, there was no armed robber. There was nobody fighting except them fighting. Do you know what the driver did before the police came? The driver was now smoking with that particular lady. That particular lady that hit my friend's leg. They were waiting for police, smoking cigarette outside, laughing at the lady before when the police came. The police came and the lady now said, it is me they call police for. I said, you, there were 3 police, she said. Yeah, you they call police for? He said, yes. You okay? Then the black lady was not lucky enough. He now had a bad police, a racist police, that told her, they will stop you not to enter the bus. Then the other woman police now came around and said, what happened? He now told the lady what happened. Now said, but why you hit somebody with a baby wagon? Why can't you say sorry? Why are you calling? Why is the driver calling police? Now say he doesn't know why he's calling police. It's every time the lady is making trouble inside the bus. The lady now said, do you know me before? I don't even know you. You don't know me. Then you know what the police did? The police He let the driver. He write the name of the woman down. He let the driver to move inside car. He move. They move, come on. They leave that lady when leg dey pain, that Nigerian woman. They leave her for ground, make e use his leg, they waka go house with the pikin. The lady come cry, go their rat house. Their rat house come say, okay, make e leave her for God. Because get one there, when he say no God, he say make e leave her for God. The lady go house. Then the lady went and report to the Reverend Father that is staying there. You know, the next day the lady enter bus. They tell the lady, say no fit enter bus. Say he can't. Meanwhile, the lady they go school for the city because he got to take bus from her own city village to the city. They now said she cannot take bus any longer. He now went again on Saturday. They wanted to take. He said no, you cannot take bus. So name cannot take bus in this city. He now went to the Reverend Father. The Reverend Father now called because the Reverend Father is in Nigeria. He now called the office that why she cannot take bus. What kind of this thing is that? Which law is that? Well, the lady said in that office, but the boss office, he cannot take bus, he cannot take bus. She's banned. She have to return her money, the monthly ticket she bought. They have to return it. They have to do this one. That was how she stopped to take bus. They refused her to take bus. She stopped. After some months, she started taking train, which is very stressful. After some months, after 2 weeks or so, or 3 weeks, then police now wrote the lady that, can you sue those people that hit you with the baby wagon? Can you sue them to court? Because what they did was not right. Then the lady now said, Nigerian lady said, I beg you, we are about to enter New Year. She should come on the 31st. He said, no, I can't come on the. He now called the court, the police station with his son. Please, I cannot come to the court. I don't want problem. I don't want police problem. When that lady hit me, you said she did not do anything bad. You allowed the driver to move and left us on this thing. They have taken my ticket. Now I cannot take bus. Why are you asking me now to come and sue the lady to the court? He said because now they believe me. I said the lady said no, you don't want problem. You people should go with your problem. Then the lady now went to the Reverend Father and told the Reverend Father, look at what she stand. The Reverend Father said, yeah, it's good like that. Yeah, you know, we Nigerians, we don't come here. We did not come here for problems. You understand me? This is not the first time. That is how they resist us. Till today, the lady cannot enter bus in that city. She's taking train. And there is nobody to fight for her. You know, they. Take una time. Make una they do una own thing. Forget these people. You see that lady so, make I tell you. They go give them extra face, say if they insult his own German person. Just we know why, because they resist am because of that black when he marry. You understand me? Nothing. And the lady again, if you not rich people talk. It's not only Nigeria, Africa that rich people talk. Now lie. In Europe country, if you not get level, now why you there for one corner? No level for you be that. So that is why I'm begging my brothers and sisters in this Europe and this kind of this thing we did now. I beg, you know, as Nigeria be, Africa be right now. Make we try to do ourselves. Make we try to respect ourselves. If they hit us, make we leave them. Make that they go. Make if na him hit you sef, tell am sorry. Make him dey carry you wahala dey go. Make we for do our own thing. I beg una. Thank you. May God bless you. Please don't pass without sharing this video. Try and like and maybe hate. My haters should hate it, or my likers should like my video. Subscribe. Don't pass so. Don't pass but say we say corner. Subscribe. Una subscribe.